Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube app and signing in so personalized features work. Once done, make sure the app is updated. Updates often add the QR scanner. Tap the camera or the search bar QR icon to launch scanning mode and grant camera permission if asked. Hold the phone steady and center the QR code in the frame. This tells YouTube exactly where to focus. You do this now to let the app read the code quickly, which links to playlists, channels, or videos without extra typing. Once the scanner sees the code, you'll notice a visual cue like a green box or brief animation. That confirms a successful read. When the preview appears, pause and check the title or thumbnail. This helps you avoid unwanted destinations. Tap the preview to open the link directly in YouTube, or use the menu to copy the URL or share it externally. Make sure to pick YouTube as the default if you want seamless playback. Doing this reduces extra navigation and preserves your watch history and preferences. To complete the process, play the video or follow the channel and note any prompts to subscribe or save to a playlist. If scanning fails, first clean the camera lens and improve lighting, reflections, and blur block detection. Make sure the QR is fully visible and not damaged. If needed, open the link on another device and copy it into YouTube's search bar. Finally, check camera permission, network connection, and app updates, reinstalling the app only as a last resort to resolve persistent scanner issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.